Hello friends, welcome to AffairsCloud Learn to Lead. Good morning to all the students. As you know, we already started detailed topic-wise current affair, like one video, one topic in detailed manner. And today topic of discussion is very important. This is Golden Globe Award of 2026. Golden Globe Awards are one of the most prestigious international honors in the entertainment industry, recognizing outstanding achievement in the film and television every year. So let's discuss this Golden Globe Award. This is 83rd annual Golden Globe Award presented annually by Hollywood Foreign Press Association, and this was held in California, United States of America, celebrating excellence in film as well as television for production released in the year of 2025. And the ceremony was hosted by comedian Nikki Glazer for the second consecutive year, and the Golden Globe Award first presented in the year of 1944. It is referred as Hollywood's Party of the Year and is the largest award show in the world. Since 2023, the awards are run by Golden Globe Foundation with a restructured international voting body to ensure transparency and diversity. So this is Golden Globe Award. Remember, this is 83rd Golden Globe Award. So let's see which picture won the Best Picture Award. Best Motion Picture in Drama category won by Hamnet. You can see the poster of Hamnet here. This is movie Hamnet, and this movie won the Best Motion Picture in Drama category. Best Motion Picture in Musical or Comedy. This is One Battle After Another. You can also see the poster of One Battle After Another, directed by Paul Thomas Anderson, and Paul Thomas won the Best Director Award. So these three are most important. Best Director Award goes to Paul Thomas Anderson for One Battle After Another. Best Screenplay also won by Paul Thomas Anderson, One Battle After Another. Best Actor in the Drama category, Wagner Moura for The Secret Agent. You can also see the picture of Wagner Moura, and this is the poster of The Secret Agent. Next is Best Actress in the Drama category. This is Jessie Buckley for Hamnet movie. You can also see the picture of Jessie for the Hamnet movie. These 6 awards are the most important and can be asked by the examiner. Best Motion Picture, Best Motion Picture in Musical and Comedy Character, Best Director, Best Screenplay, Best Actor, and Best Actress. And you can see the maximum award goes to One Battle After Another. Next is Best Actor for the Musical, like Timothy. Best Actress in the Musical or Comedy category, Ross Byrne. Best Sporting Actor, Stellan. Best Sporting Actress, Tina. Best Original Score, Ludwig. Best Animated Feature, K-Pop Demon Hunters. Best Original Song, Golden, K-Pop Demon Hunters. And Best Non-English Language Film is The Secret Agent. You can remember these 6 or 5 categories. These are the most important categories. In the television, because this award also represent television awards, Best Series in Drama category, The Pit. Best Series in Musical and Comedy, The Studio. Best Limited Series, Adolescence. Best Actor in the Drama Series, Noah Weil for The Pit series. Next, Best Actress, Rhea Seehorn for The Pluribus. Best Actor in the Comedy Series, Seth Rogen. Best Actress, Jean Smart. Best Actor in the Limited Series, Stephen Graham. Best Actress, Michelle Williams. Best Sporting Actor for the Limited Series, On Cooper. Best Sporting Actress, Ari Doherty. Best Stand-Up Comedy Performance, Ricky Gervais. Special category which is introduced first time. This is the Best Podcast. This is introduced first time, and this goes to Good Hang with Amy Poehler. So you can remember 2 or 3 things under the television award. One is the Best Series in the Musical category or the Comedy category. Best Limited Series, again very important. Best Actor and Best Actress. These are most important in the television award. You can remember this. And in the film awards, you can remember these 6. Best Motion Picture in the Musical, Best Director, Best Screenplay, Best Actor in Drama, Best Actress in the Drama. And you can revise from this slide. This is Golden Globe Award, 83rd award. and this ceremony was held at California, USA, and this is organized by one of the organization known as Hollywood Foreign Press Association, and this is hosted by Nikki Glazer. And new category which is added, best podcast, very important. And most awards received by film, that is one battle after another, total awards 4. And most awards received by TV series, that is Adolescence, total 4 awards again. No Indian film nominated, but Priyanka Chopra was present in this ceremony. So remember, this is Golden Globe Award. And I hope you like this video. Please share as maximum as possible.
So this is all for today. Please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching this video. And you can subscribe our all platforms like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn and Telegram channel. All the official notifications delivered through the Telegram channel. So just subscribe from the description box link. Thank you guys. Take care and bye-bye.